Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Yesterday afternoon brought some intense thunderstorm activity to parts of the Free State and the Northern Cape, and the enhanced satellite imagery indicates these intense storms indicated by the deeper shades of orange and red across the area. This produced heavy rainfall between 50 and 100 millimeters of rain affected some areas and also resulted in localized urban flooding over parts of Kimberley. Now back to today and taking a look at what happened during the course of this morning. It remained quite cloudy along the south coast, along with that some light rain in places. Otherwise, it's been a fairly clear start to the day for the central parts, including the areas that were affected by those stronger storms yesterday. And much of the cloud covers moved northwards towards Gauteng and in particular over KwaZulu-Natal, where there's also been a few light showers to start off the day. Now for the rest of this Wednesday, we're expecting cloudy weather with light rain along the south coast, thunder showers on the Highveld as well as in KZN, and a better chance for thunderstorms along the escarpment areas of KZN and Mpumalanga. Now for tomorrow, things will remain unchanged along the south coast. Could still be some drizzle around over that area. Partly cloudy with thunderstorms for Gauteng and the northwest, and we'll also see a couple of storms popping up for the interior of the Eastern Cape, perhaps even the Karoo areas of the Western Cape on Thursday. And here we can see that the eastern escarpment of the country will see the best chances for thunder showers this afternoon. Scattered storms in that area, isolated across the Highveld as well as for parts of the Eastern Cape, and still some light rain around along the southern coastline, including George, Mossel Bay as well as towards Port Elizabeth. Moderate winds for both Durban and Richards Bay, and a fresh southeaster continues for the Cape Peninsula during the course of this afternoon. And we're still expecting a warm day for most of South Africa, hot for the northern and western interior, well above 30 degrees for most places, cool for George along the southern coastline, and it's going to be a warm day across the Eastern Cape, 26 in Bishu as well as for East London. And tomorrow morning will be warm for much of South Africa, cooler in places over the eastern high ground as well as towards the southern mountainous areas, Sutherland dropping down to 12, a pair of 18s for Cape Town and George, 20 degrees along the Eastern Cape coastline. Johannesburg today gets to 30 degrees. There is a possibility for isolated thunder showers under partly cloudy conditions, and much of that thunder activity will clear out overnight. A minimum of 15 is expected for early on Thursday morning. By Thursday afternoon, similar conditions expected for Joburg, 29 thunder showers possible, and it's going to be a clear day for Cape Town at 27. And by Friday, we're expecting significant rainfall in places over in Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, where it's going to be mainly cloudy with scattered storms. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.